back to another venture with the Bearded Bobber. I'm bearded, she's the bobber. And today, we're going to talk about, here we go, Miss Bobber here, her shoes. Yeah, I know, right? As some of you guys know, I made a video when I switched out the stock bobber tires for the Michelin Commander 2s. Now, I was one of the lucky ones from everything I've heard on forums and Facebook and all the things. There were some people only getting 2,000 some odd miles. I don't know how many burnouts they did for that rear tire, but I got around 5,200 miles. I could have kept going. It was pretty flat. You know, I was doing a lot of daily riding to work, so part of it was probably just that more than anything. I'm sure more canyon rides would have just helped edge out those sides at the same time. But yeah, I got 5,200 miles out of it. Yeah, we'll pull over somewhere else. Now, right now, I've got 7,500 miles roughly. Let's see. Actually, yeah, 7,500 is about right. About right. Let's pull over right up here. Oh, well, shit. I mean, that house doesn't look like anybody's there. We can keep going. What's up here? Review video / adventure video. Alright. Wonder if they're gonna get mad if I try to go up there with the bike. Look at that house. Who doggy? Alright. So, go over this real quick. Front tire still looks great. It actually looks a little bit more worn than the Kenda did when I got it done, like when I got them changed. Oh, look at donuts. Speaking of burnouts, the Kenda at 52 was still kind of knobby, still had the little knobs on it and everything, which I still have that tire because it was such a good tire that I couldn't just see throwing it out. But the Michelin Commander 2s have held great. They handle great. I mean, they're doing fantastic. You can still see, you know, it's a little flat, but it's not bad. Tire still looks better than the damn Kenda. Kenda was right. It was done, man. It was just done. So now the new Scouts have changed their tires, so I'm interested to see how far they go now. You know, that's definitely something to keep an eye on with the new 2020s that are out. Different tire pattern, and I believe a different brand. I'll throw the brand on the screen if so. Let that be future bobbers' problem. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a great tire, the Commander 2 is fantastic. If you want something a little bit more grippy, I believe the Avon Cobras and a few other ones are a little bit better. They may not be as good for like long miles, which the Dunlops are really good too, from what I've heard. And there's one other one that Warbeard would know. It's my dad's got them on his bike too. They're the they're not, let's see, they're closer than a Michelin something, I don't know. I'll try to throw that on the screen too, but I think she looks great. I love these tires. I have not had a single issue with them. Brandon Picasso, when he rode the bike, it got out from under him a couple times, and I've only had it happen to me once, and I was getting on it really hard in a turn, and it slid. Like I said, they're not the grippiest tire, but I don't go crazy canyon riding. So for me, on my commute and mileage, that's what I really needed out of these tires. Now the next time, I'll probably still have to find something in between, because I should have a bagger for long distance stuff, where this one won't need to take the long distance miles and the canyon stuff. So I might be able to find a nice sweet spot in there for those. But yeah, I'm super happy with these. If something happened and I didn't get a bagger, I'd probably just do these again. But I love them. I know a lot of people love them. I'm super stoked with them, and yeah. So hopefully this helps you guys if you guys are looking for that. I'll do another review probably around 15,000 miles, because they say this tire can get 15 to 25,000. Don't know if I'm going to get that much out of them. I think 15. Let's go 15, 20. Let's hope we're right in there. All right? All right. You know what? I'm going to take you guys with me before we end this video. Let's go see what's up here. What is... Oh, my gosh. Good thing I got super view on. You guys can see all this. I've never been up here. I kept meaning to do that turnout one of these days, and I finally did. I wonder how hard it would be to get the bobber up here. Dude. Yeah. I mean, frick yeah. Just so you guys want, if you're not from the area, I can hear a bike. Where's he at? Right there. Ah. Sounds good all the way from over here. Looks like a street glide. Now, let's give you guys perspective. San Bernardino is where those tall buildings are over there, if they show up on the camera. Redlands is this whole tree-like area. So Indian Redlands is down that way. San Bernardino's up there. Mentone is over there. Like the Mentone Bridge up that way, where Baker X Derek gets his jerkies over there. Ukaipa's back this way. Beaumont's that way. Just give you guys a little like idea, you know, Moreno Valley's that way, so on and so forth. There's a cool view. Alright guys, well, stay safe, stay classy. That's what I'm gonna do.